Learn English with teacher Borude sir. Day 26. नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ज्ञानगंगा एक शैक्षणिक चळवळ या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर आपले सहर्ष स्वागत आहे. जर आपण या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून घ्यावे. आजच्या भागात आपण बघणार आहोत ब्लेंड वर्ड्स सेंटेन्स रीडिंग. जी प्लस आर छेद ग्र पी प्लस आर छेद प्र यावर आधारित वाक्यवाचन. इट इज रूड टू ग्रॅब अ सीट. इट इज रूड टू ग्रॅब अ सीट. We have to press right click. We have to press right click. He likes gray color. He likes gray color. I came up here to pray for Neha. I came up here to pray for Neha. He is principal of our school. He is principal of our school. Prepare the gravy mixture. Prepare the gravy mixture. Her parents are very proud of her. Her parents are very proud of her. Plants grow fastly after rain. Plants grow fastly after rain. The taste of grapes is sour and sweet. The taste of grapes is sour and sweet. I gave present to my brother. I gave present to my brother. The groom looks very smart. The groom looks very smart. I can't solve this problem. I can't solve this problem. He solved my problem. He solved my problem. She prays to God. She prays to God. He likes grapes very much. He likes grapes very much. Arav grandmother tell him story. Arav's grandmother tell him story. Pranav presents a watch to Pranita. Pranav presents a watch to Pranita.